Foley effects using simple household items. In the beginning, movies were silent. The stories were conveyed by gestures and great faces. Jack Foley began adding sound effects to the talkies beginning in 1927. Those techniques are still in use today. These days, there are cameras everywhere. You can add sound effects to your movies using simple household items. Professional Foley artists routinely substitute one item for another. Just listen to this potato chip crunch. Pretty anemic, right? Substitute celery for the potato chip crunch. Now we combine the celery sound with the potato chip visual. Let's save that celery for later. For a dramatic yet safe fire effect, let's substitute the sound of crinkling cellophane. Here's the result. The classic slap can be hard on an actor's face. You wouldn't want to do this over and over. Again, from the kitchen, we can substitute a roast. Who needs tenderizer? That's a wrap.